The ergoPouch Cocoon Swaddle Bag is a zip-up swaddle which helps control a newborn's startle reflex and mimics the comfort of being in the womb. The swaddle should fit firmly but not tight. Always check the height and weight recommendations on labels to ensure you have the correct size. You should be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers in the neck hole. If the neck hole is too loose, it risks rising over the baby's face. If it's too tight, you may restrict breathing. We're often asked by customers if they should buy a newborn-sized cocoon or whether they can use a 0 to 3 months straight away. Both are safe from birth, but a small to average baby might find a 0 to 3 month too large to contain their startle reflex. Our cocoons start in 4 zeros and go up to a 6 to 12 month size. The cocoons are bell-shaped at the bottom to ensure hip health and joint growth. Ensure you choose the correct TOG rating for the room temperature and layer accordingly. Our cocoons come in 4 different TOG variations. 0.2 TOG for temperatures above 22 degrees Celsius, 1 TOG for temperatures between 20 and 24 degrees Celsius, 2.5 TOG for 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, and 3.5 TOG for 12 to 19 degrees Celsius. Your baby may prefer their arms across their chest or by their sides. The cocoon's fabric is stretchy, so they can move their hands to their preferred position without startling themselves. Your baby may also prefer to sleep arms out, which can be achieved by releasing the press studs on the armholes, or hands up, which can be achieved by adding a butterfly cardie. When dealing with overnight nappy changes, unzip your cocoon from the bottom and keep baby snug while you change them. When you notice your baby starting to reach the end of the cocoon or it becomes hard to zip up, it's time to size up.